Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome to another insightful episode on modern world dynamics. This platform is your one-stop shop for all things technology, entrepreneurship, and AI, offering a unique lens into the ever-evolving dynamics of our modern world. We're here to highlight the trends, unpack the complexities, and provide you with the knowledge you need to navigate this digital age effectively. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of GPT prompts and how they could potentially make you rich. Imagine being a curious entrepreneur named Alex, who stumbles upon a technology called GPT prompts. This isn't some otherworldly science fiction tech. Oh no, it's here and now, and it's as real as the internet connection you're using to watch this video. Picture this. Alex is a go-getter. He's always on the lookout for ways to drive his business forward. One fine day, he discovers GPT prompts. These prompts, he learns, are essentially commands that guide artificial intelligence models to generate specific outputs. It's like having a genie in a bottle, but instead of 3 wishes, you get a limitless supply of ideas. So, Alex dives in. He begins by using GPT prompts to brainstorm product ideas, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. From cutting-edge tech gadgets to innovative service solutions, the AI model whips up ideas faster than you can say, "Open Sesame." But that's not all. Alex soon realizes that GPT prompts can do much more. They can write persuasive marketing copy, help with customer service, even create engaging content for his social media channels. It's like having a tireless, multi-talented team member who's always on the ball. And the best part? GPT prompts are not industry specific. Whether you're in tech, retail, healthcare, or even agriculture, there's a wealth of applications waiting to be discovered. It's like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for the modern entrepreneur. But let's pause for a moment. It's not just about the ideas, it's about what you do with them. Alex quickly learns that the real power of GPT prompts lies in their ability to transform these ideas into wealth. By leveraging the AI-generated ideas, he's able to streamline his operations, enhance his products, and ultimately boost his bottom line. Alex soon realizes that the power of GPT prompts lies not just in generating ideas, but also in transforming them into wealth. So, if you're an entrepreneur like Alex, or even just a curious mind, it's time to explore the fascinating world of GPT prompts. Who knows? Your next big idea could be just a prompt away. Now, Alex is intrigued. He wonders, how can I use these GPT prompts to grow my wealth? Well, let's delve into that, shall we? Alex, like many entrepreneurs, runs a business. Let's say he's in the hospitality industry. He uses GPT prompts to improve operations, creating efficiency like never before. How, you ask? By automating mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more critical, creative endeavors. Imagine a world where customer inquiries are handled instantly, without human intervention, yet with the warmth and understanding of a seasoned professional. This is what GPT prompts can do. They can be tailored to answer frequently asked questions, provide information, and even troubleshoot issues. But it doesn't stop there. GPT prompts can also enhance the customer experience. Think about it. A customer reaches out with a query and is met with an immediate, accurate, and polite response, regardless of the time. That's a level of service that's hard to beat, isn't it? It's also about driving innovation. Alex can use GPT prompts to brainstorm new ideas, explore different perspectives, or even draft business plans. The possibilities are, quite frankly, staggering. All he needs to do is ask the right questions, and voila, he's got a treasure trove of ideas at his disposal. Now, consider the diverse range of prompts available. Alex can guide the AI to generate specific responses, or let it surprise him with its ingenuity. Either way, he's leveraging a powerful tool that can help him stay ahead in the business world. And the result? A significant boost in efficiency, a happier customer base, a wellspring of innovative ideas, and ultimately, an increase in profits. Alex's business thrives, his reputation soars, and yes, his wealth begins to grow. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's strategy. A strategy that involves harnessing the power of GPT prompts and using them to their full potential. And the best part, anyone can do it. Alex's wealth begins to grow, all thanks to his clever use of GPT prompts. Before we continue with Alex's fascinating journey, a quick reminder. If you're finding value in this content, please consider subscribing to Modern World Dynamics. We put a lot of effort into researching and producing these enlightening videos, and your support truly makes a difference. If you wish to contribute further, we have a donation link in the description below. Your generosity enables us to continue sharing these golden nuggets of information. Thank you for your support. Now back to Alex. So, what can we learn from Alex's journey with GPT prompts? First off, GPT prompts are more than just fancy tech jargon. They are a real, tangible tool that can be used to generate meaningful and impactful content. And this ability to produce high-quality content on a consistent basis is incredibly valuable. Whether you're creating engaging blog posts, attention-grabbing social media content, or even writing a book, GPT prompts can be your secret weapon. Secondly, the potential uses of GPT prompts are vast and varied. From drafting emails to scripting videos, from creating marketing campaigns to generating ideas for new products or services, these prompts can be used in a multitude of ways. The key is to think outside the box, to be innovative in how you apply this tool. Remember, it's not about the tool itself, but how you use it that determines its value. But it's not just about using GPT prompts. It's about leveraging them strategically for wealth creation. This is where Alex's story really comes to life. He didn't just use GPT prompts, he built an entire business around them. He identified a need in the market and then used GPT prompts to fill that need. And in doing so, he was able to create a significant amount of wealth. This brings us to the importance of innovation and strategic implementation. GPT prompts are a tool, and like any tool, their effectiveness depends on the skill of the person using them. Being innovative in how you use GPT prompts and strategic in how you implement them can be the difference between moderate success and significant wealth creation. In the end, the key takeaway from Alex's journey is this. GPT prompts are a powerful tool that, when used strategically and innovatively, can be a game changer. They can help you create high-quality content, drive engagement, and ultimately generate wealth. Just like Alex, anyone can harness the power of GPT prompts to create wealth. We've come to the end of our journey with Alex and GPT prompts. What a trip it's been, traversing the vast landscape of this cutting-edge technology. We've seen firsthand how understanding and effectively using GPT prompts can open up a world of opportunities and potentially even pave your way to wealth. Remember, the future belongs to those who innovate. It's about taking the reins of modern technologies like these and galloping into the sunrise of tomorrow. It's about learning, adapting, and applying new tools to old problems. Take a leaf out of Alex's book. Don't just watch the world change from the sidelines. Dive into the thick of things. Explore the wonders of GPT prompts and see how they can transform your ventures. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more insights into the dynamics of our modern world. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.